Alright, so you're out here trying to make money from your app but with ads. It's like dating. No one wants the clingy type, so today we're gonna see if Unity ads, AdMob, and AppLovin are more like casual and chill, or here for the long haul. Stick around till the end because the winner might surprise you. Let's break it down. Unity ads, AdMob, and AppLovin are all giants in the mobile ad space, but which one's best for you? First up, Unity ads. If you're a game developer, Unity is your best friend. Seamlessly integrated, and they actually understand gamers. It's great for in-game ads, but it's not always the best when it comes to non-gaming apps. It pays well though, especially with video ads. A solid choice for game devs, but if you're doing anything else, maybe not. Next, AdMob by Google. The good news, it's everywhere. You'll have easy access to ads, tons of ad formats, and let's face it, Google's name behind it. The downside, a little more complicated for new users, and sometimes you'll notice a dip in revenue if your app's niche isn't highly popular. Finally, AppLovin. This one's kind of the wild card. It's fast, it's easy to set up, and if you're after high ROI ads, it's got your back. The downside, you might have some issues with ad quality if you're not in a popular market, but the cash is definitely there if you play your cards right. So which one's the best? Well, it depends. If you're all about games, Unity is your guy. For the Google Simplicity Live, AdMob solid, but for some serious ad revenue that's easy to implement, AppLovin might just win. Remember, there's no one size fits all, but pick the one that matches your app's vibe. Don't forget to hit like and let me know which one you're going with.